is hard to fall in love when you feel blue. Deep inside your heart